I'm not in the yellow pages. But if you got trouble with someone, you might ask around for me. Jackson Healy. When you're talking to your doctor, don't tell him you have a spiral fracture. No! Deep breath. No!
I work for the Department of Justice.
My daughter, Amelia, is in danger. Please find her, protect her.
March, Jack Healy. I want you to find Amelia.
Don't move. Her name's Amelia.
What's in it for me?
He'll stop doing it.
Doing what?
Ow! Dad?
Feel right in this motherfucker. Feel good in this motherfucker. My whole hood in this motherfucker. My whole hood in this motherfucker. I'm alive!
You're the world's worst detective.
The world's worst.
Good in this motherfucker. My whole hood.
Nobody got hurt.
People got hurt.
I'm saying I think they died quickly, though, so I don't think that they got hurt.